Hello everybody, welcome back once again. How are you all doing? So today I will be making this simple bell pepper sauce. This bell pepper, you can store it and you can use it practically for your cooking, like your soups or your stews. It's very easy and very simple. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have my bell peppers, which I've already washed. As you can see, these are very red and they look very big. So I'm just going to cut them into half and then remove the seed because I don't want the seed in the sauce. So this is very easy to do. I will just remove the seeds from them and I will repeat the process until I am done. So at this point I've finished and I've washed it and I'm going to pat dry it with my kitchen paper because I'm going to be roasting. I'm not cooking, I'm just roasting it, and you don't want to roast it with water. If not, it will take time to be roasted. So there I have my baking bowl and I'm just placing them on it, and then with time I will just flip them over. I've already preheated my oven and I will just going to put them in the oven and allow it to roast. So as you can see, it is roasted. To be able to remove the skin very easily, I'm just going to place them in my plastic bag and then allow it to sit to cool down. That way it will be very easy to remove the skin. So I'll just let it rest until it is completely cold. Just like so. So after that, I'm just going to take them off the plastic and then I'm going to be gently remove the skin. As you can see, it's peeling very easily. So if you don't want to roast yours, you can just boil it. It's also good, but I like roasting it because I like the flavor that it gives to stews and soups when it's roasted. So as you can see, I'm done cleaning it and I'm just going to be adding just garlic and basil leaf because I'll be using it for soups also. So I don't want to add too much ingredients. There are some ingredients which is not good with soup. And then with my hand blender, I'm just going to blend it to roughly smooth. I don't want to blend it too smooth. If you don't have a hand blender, you can use your blender also and then just blend it roughly smooth, or if you want it smooth, very smooth, you can also do that. So just keep on blending till you get the texture that you want. And after this, I'm just going to place it on the fire and then I will slowly cook it for about 30 to 40 minutes until it is thick enough. So as you can see, I have the perfect texture that I want. I don't want it too smooth. As I said before, if you want it very smooth, you can go ahead and do that, but I'll prefer this roughly blended. So I just place it on the fire and I'm going to allow it to cook slowly because I don't want it to get burnt. Add just a tablespoon of salt and now stir all together and then just allow it to cook slowly. So here we are. This has been cooking for 35 minutes now, and I can see the liquid or the water is completely dry out. Now what I will do is I will just going to take it off the fire and set it aside and let it cool down completely. It's cold now, and I'm just going to go ahead and then divide it into my airtight bottles. You can use any bottle you have. You can be plastic bowls, anything that you can install it on, and then just install them in your fridge, and you can have them with your, or use them for soups and stews. It makes life very easy. So I want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have been supporting me. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you all, and thank you all for subscribing. And if today is your first time for clicking, I want to say you are highly welcome. Please do subscribe and share this video and put on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So here we are. I hope you guys find this interesting, and do not forget to share it with your families and friends. As you can see, it's all done. I'm just going to place them in my refrigerator, and then I will use them anytime I want to. Hope to see you all in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ciao, ciao.